Hello everyone, this is your brother building James. As you can see, this is Gypsum Silly Design. As you can see, it's a perfect job. AC has been installed with burglary and the aluminum window. You can see nice net. This is a net. This is net. As you can see, AC has been installed perfectly. As you can see, AC has been installed perfectly, and then LED lights have been installed as well. As you can see, it's a nice design. 567. The project still under the construction. As you can see now, you can call Abiodun James for your interior and exterior design. We give the best. We need to change this. We have stained it. We need to change this. Call us for the projects. Call us on 0806309 for any type of headrooms. We give you the best price and the best quality. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn that the notification below so that you can be updates when we upload the next video. Thank you.